In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for construction management. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that can greatly streamline your construction projects by keeping everything organized and accessible. Whether you're managing timelines, resources, or tasks, ClickUp offers a comprehensive solution. Let me guide you through the steps to set up your construction management workspace using ClickUp. To begin, navigate to ClickUp and head directly to the Overview section of your workspace. This is your starting point, showcasing a bird's-eye view of all projects you're involved with. The overview will give you insight into what's happening across your teams and tasks, ensuring you're on top of every project's progress. Next, locate the plus icon on your ClickUp interface. This icon is crucial because it opens up options for creating new elements within your workspace. By clicking this, you're preparing to incorporate more functionality into your construction management process. Once you've clicked the plus icon, you'll want to select the Templates option from the drop-down menu. Templates are pre-designed structures in ClickUp that can save you a lot of time. These structures are based on proven layouts suitable for various management tasks, and in this case, it will be tailored for construction management. Accessing templates ensures you're starting on a solid framework, enhancing efficiency. When you have the Templates menu open, it's time to search for the Construction Management template. By entering Construction Management into the search bar, ClickUp will filter out the most relevant templates to meet your needs. This specialized template is designed to address common tasks and timelines typical for construction projects, thus saving you the time and effort of setting it up from scratch. Now you'll see the Construction Management template appear in your search results. Click on Use Template to initiate its application into your project space. Rest assured, this action won't override your current settings or information, but will rather integrate the template within your existing setup. It's a seamless process, ensuring you maintain project continuity without disruption. A confirmation step follows to ensure you're all set. You'll need to click on Use Template once more, double-checking that everything is aligned as you intended. Completing this process finalizes the template's integration into your workspace, optimizing it for streamlined construction management. And there you have it. Your ClickUp workspace is now equipped for effective construction management. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your project's efficiency, clarity, and organization, allowing you to focus more on managing your project and less on the intricacies of project setup. Explore all the features within the template so you can fully leverage ClickUp's capabilities to suit your specific needs. Keep everything synchronized and to stay ahead in your construction projects with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.